Yeah, that'll work. Welcome back to a brisk early morning. Welcome back to the Pit Bike, Quade Crabtree Pit Bike channel. I'm just kidding. But we do have a very special pit bike in front of me right here. Not necessarily a pit bike, it's more of like a mini bike. This is a 2006 KTM 85. This is going to be, I believe, Caitlin's new bike, if she likes it and she really, takes on to this. She rode the little X14 we have, loved it, got out there on the track last weekend, and so, went to her house and her dad was like, hey, you still have your bike. And she was like, my bike. And lo and behold, this little gem was sitting in the shed. So I'll walk you through what we have, guys. Super exciting. I can't wait to get it out on the track, see her with it, see if she likes it, and see what we can do with this thing. It's very dirty, but it's nothing that we can't clean up. Well, guys, here we have it. Beamer is sniffing it and gesundheititing. But here it is. Here she is in all her glory. This thing has been like fully kitted out before, it looks like. Has some really cool upgrades and everything on it, and it looks super sick. Definitely very race ready, racy vibe going on here, and it's awesome. She is definitely very grimy, very greasy, very dirty, but that's perfectly fine. Nothing we can't handle and nothing we can't clean.
2,000 years later.
And ladies and gentlemen, that's about as clean as this one's gonna get on the first go round. I feel definitely as we clean it more, it will get significantly cleaner along the way. I was able to get some of the rust and just build up off this pipe. Still some stuff I need to rub out right there, maybe take a Scotch-Brite to it. But for the most part, it came out pretty freaking good. To be a 06 sitting in a shed, probably hasn't been cleaned after the last time it was rode. This thing is great. So now, of course, the next step is to go rip it. We're hopefully going to go this afternoon and go put Caitlin on the track or in Justin's backyard field, and hopefully let her rip it a little bit, and maybe me and Justin will rip it a little bit. We'll see. Super excited, super cool. It's crazy excited over this little freaking pit bike, but super cool, guys. I can't wait to do it tonight. I'm excited. I don't know how it's going to perform, though. It seems pretty good. The dad cranked it up for us. It cranked first kick. Everything was awesome with it, so really excited about that. Let's see how it does.
We drove by there and his car was there.
We are here to get auger attachment for lighting on track. Telephone pole digging will begin tonight. He's gonna come in. Generator, check. Loading the skid steer up, heading back to the track. Alright guys, lights are acquired. We have a 4-pack of lights off Amazon real quick, and then my old Crackman detailing lights. So we got all these picked out. We're gonna put them on a big cedar pole in the center right here. You can also see how dark it is out here. It is very dark. We only have the light from the Power Stroke right now. Okay, I got 1, 2, 3 of the lights on here. We're gonna set the 4th guy up once it's flipped over and we're standing it up. We're just using kind of generic screws here. putting these things in there. Justin's gonna put the pole down there in the corner so we can light up that guy, because once we get a little farther along, we're going to have a big kind of, I don't know, stand or driver stand or announcer stand, whatever you want to call it, right here. So there'll be a light coming off the corner of this guy from each side and probably one on the back side. So we don't really need the pole kind of up here at the front like we thought about. Just right there, just as you see with the skid steer lights, it's going to light up everything. We wanted to make sure that corner had plenty of light, depending on how we change the track later on.
Can plug in.
Yeah, that'll work.
Yeah, that'll work. I
That
think
just might work.
Yeah, I mean, so this powers this, which powers that, and this to here, to here, to here, which will power to there. And so this end, yeah, this cool one will go to here, which will go all the way down to here, which down here will be down there. We'll have the generator down there. So I think that'll work.
That just might work.
That'll work.
It's supposed to have like 5 of those AC industrial units. They only got, they like, you know, say they're renting these generators
I
for
think
like
that'll be bright enough, boys.
4 or 5 years. Well, that's what I'm saying. Like,
That thing is quiet as hell.
okay. Yeah, you
First
might.
they're talking
Nah,
about
you're good.
plugs,
You're
then
good.
you're talking about reaming.
Yeah, so I always put the corkscrew in it and I just pushed a little bit of pressure and I stop and then lift straight up, back up and go. Okay, I just go back. All right, well. Man, how long is this for?
It was longest cord they had at store, sir.
Just too soft.
Because he wanted to put the light bulb around a certain way. Sorry,
What you doing, man? Oh, whoa.
So last 4 hours I've talked to y'all, this is all we accomplished. I'm not gonna lie to you, I expected a little bit more.
Hey, man.
If he wasn't standing over really, really sharp teeth, I would almost say that would be a cool idea.
I know, I agree. That's why I
Throw
wanted
it out on my truck.
Like now, that it would be okay now, but up there on the bucket, I don't think that would be.
Okay, you need to leave
I
all
would
of these
probably
videos.